How's it going, guys? Just a quick update on the bus. We just wanted to give you a little tour of the interior and what we have done so far. So, as you can maybe tell, we've got the floor finally more or less completed. We got the subfloor done, so that includes painting, filling any holes, throwing the insulation down. We threw 1.5-inch rigid foam board insulation, which you can actually see above you here. And then on top of that, we laid some just sheets of plywood that are about, I think it was 1/4 inch thick. On top of that, we laid the laminate flooring that you see here. So that was all relatively easy work to do, actually. We had a little bit of help, a lot of help, from our buddy Brian, who donated the floorboards and helped us cut them and do all the dirty work, essentially. We just sat there and ate a bunch of chips and drank some tea. So that was awesome. What we've got going on up here is basically we're going to insulate the ceilings. So we have I just used the spare rigid foam insulation that we had left over. We've got the entirety of the ceiling to do with it. So we have to go pick up some more insulation. Unfortunately, unless I go rent a truck or drive this over to the hardware store, we can't do that. So we're waiting on the El Camino to be done, which is coming up here pretty soon, so we can go get some more insulation and finish that up. Also, the sidewalls are going to be filled with insulation. We're going to be putting board, like 2x4s. That's too long to demonstrate. Basically a 2x4 here, and then insulation, and then just putting another sheet of plywood or something nice there. In order just to keep it warm. The windows should be able to slide down. But, speaking of the windows, as you can see, we filled them, or I filled them, with great stuff, which is essentially just this insulation foam. They're currently locked in position, but it was raining, and we have the subfloor done, so we needed to seal it all off. So that was kind of an emergency thing, an emergency fix, essentially. Come over here, we've got what would be the pantry closet thing, and then the bathroom over here. These are not necessarily bolted down at the moment, but they're more or less what they're going to look like. We're going to be boarding them off. And what else? Oh, the tack. I'll show you the tack. Here's Nick's magnificent work. We have a working tachometer, which helps significantly when it comes to learning how to drive this thing, or just driving it in general. So that's helpful. Now we know when to shift gears a lot better, because as you guys know, this bus roars like a beast. So it's a little challenging to determine when you need to actually shift compared to like a traditional stick-shift car. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the video. Obviously we forgot to do an outro at the bus, so I'm doing it at home while editing the video. So if you guys enjoyed the bus update, let us know in the comments below. Tell us what you guys think. Also, if you have any ideas on how to seal the windows properly, please let us know, because we are searching for solutions and it's just not coming to us. At least not yet. So let us know in the comments below, give us a thumbs up, and we'll get to you guys in the next one. Alright, see ya. Peace.